gentlemen, today, really weird day. We had CPI at 8:30, and then if you're on the charts, you saw there was some pretty solid plays. So first of all, yesterday I bought 450K top step accounts for CPI. I risked like 300 and we banked. It worked. We got plus 1,600 on every account. So this is the first win, I guess, on the YouTube, but it was obviously a gamble. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end up trading these evals the rest of the week, kind of just until I either pass or fail them. But with a start like this, the eval, I'm pretty confident I could pass it. I'll probably end up risking like 400-500 trades, something like that. But what isn't good is that we lost on the funded again. This is just terrible. If I had to say one good thing, the account's not blown yet. We've had 3 losing days in a row, and we had yesterday was no trade. 3 losing days in a row. So I'd say we're acting like a profitable trader, but we're not winning trades. Yeah, I don't know what's going on about that, but I'll show you the trade we took, and it wasn't this one. Or no, it was this one. So, I say too much. I gotta fix that. If we go to ES, there was a big SMT with this trade as well. But this is my thought process. Relative equal highs here. This is also the news wick. At the 5 minute, you could see it's a really nice wick. We kind of generate some liquidity here. We come down. We tap into this first presented 5 minute gap. Those are higher probability. There is some liquidity down here, but we tap into the first presented 5 minute gap. There's liquidity there, and then we go to this 30-second. This is when news happened, so price is likely to come back to where news started for all the buy orders that were placed to stop them out. And it's in a 5 minute gap, so it's really nice. We tap into it. We reversed pretty swiftly with a 4 candle formation, and yeah, the trade would have went like this. We had a stop of around 42 points, and we were going to go break even somewhere in the slow resistance liquidity. It's kind of funny how I haven't even been in, besides the break even trade that we took the one time, the first trade in the funded, we haven't been in profit. We kind of just, if we click buy, charge goes down. But what was even better about this trade was there was a 5 minute gap, or this 1 minute gap here that should hold us as support if we're bullish, but doesn't happen. Clearly doesn't happen. This 1 minute candle closes, and we get in there, and we get stopped out. I'm taking this trade every time, so I'm not too mad about it. This generated liquidity above. I thought was going to get taken out earlier. It clearly doesn't. It gets taken out later, but I'm really surprised how these like news equal highs haven't been taken out yet. So we take another L. We lose about 240, and then I stay on the charts for a little bit. Price is just trailing down. Candles are really weird. And there was another confluence here too. So it was the first percent of 5 minute gap, and then there was a really nice SMT as well. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it in this garbage, but there was a nice SMT as well, and didn't end up working. We get stopped out. These 3 candle formations, there was one on Friday, I think, and it banged, and another one, gorgeous play. I mean, this is just garbage. I probably got off the charts 1042, just because I already was losing. I was like, all right, let's not force a trade. Let's get off. We'll take the L. We'll come back tomorrow. And right as I do that, this gorgeous play happens, and this was the reversal for the day. And this is textbook, and price just, I mean, bro. If I stayed in the chart for another 3 minutes, I would have been in this trade. It was beautiful. This is the 15-minute to the hourly. Beautiful. Consequent encroachment, hits consequent encroachment, and just spins the block. And gorgeous. I mean, I really can't get over how, I know I'm looking at this right now because this was actually in PM, and this was really nice. That was a 5-minute chart, but this 5-minute play was definitely valid too. But yeah, beautiful play. This wick is so weird, but it wouldn't have stopped you out actually, but super weird wick. So we take another L, but in general, I'm feeling positive because we got 4 evals halfway done, and we've stayed disciplined on the funded. That's really the only positive of the funded. We're halfway in drawdown. We have $1,000 more to work with, but again, it is an underdog story, and we like that. But happy about the evals, and we're gonna have, with consistency rule, we're gonna have to end up getting it to like, 53.25. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see the news tomorrow. Let's check out the Forex Factory. I know we got something. I was a bit conscious of saying but I definitely said it a lot. We're going to get better at that. Core PPI at 8:30. Hopefully give us some news wicks. Hopefully give us some volume in the market. Thursday we have something too. Unemployment claims, same thing. Some volume, some news wicks to target. We'll come back tomorrow. Bigger, better, stronger. And yeah, that's today. See ya.